Okay, coral, some life cycles are important for an entire habitat. Corals grow like underwater plants, but are really colonies, groups of animals. They build a rocky habitat called a coral reef, a colorful home for countless other living things. See also read about other animals that can live on coral reefs. The octopus, the seahorse, and the sea turtle. Abundance of eggs. On one night of the year, just after a moon, corals release billions of eggs and sperm at once. It is likely that lots of eggs will be fertilized. Each fertilized egg grows into a tiny swimming larva that is shaped a little like a flip-flop, but is too small to see without a microscope. Most larvae get eaten by fish and other animals, but a few survive and settle on the rocky bottom. Here they transform into little flower-like creatures called polyps that have sprouting tentacles. Coral polyps catch tiny animals with their stinging tentacles. Many polyps contain algae that produce food by using the energy of sunlight, just like plants do. Life on the coral reef. Coral reefs provide food and shelter for thousands of animals, including crabs, anemones, and fish. Some corals, such as staghorn coral, grow upward branches, while others turn into huge rocky mounds. Making a community. A thin layer of skin grows out around the bottom of each polyp and sprouts more polyps to form a colony. Underneath the skin, the coral grows a skeleton of a hard, chalky substance which thickens to form a reef. Fishy friends, sea anemones use their stinging tentacles to protect clownfish from bigger fish. The clownfish are covered in thick slime so they don't get stung. In return, the clownfish gives sea anemones scraps of leftover food. Emperor angelfish. Some fish change appearance as they grow. A young emperor angelfish has a completely different pattern than adults, so they look like different types of fish. That's the emperor angelfish. Coral farming. Sadly, many reefs have been damaged by pollution and too much fishing. Some scientists are helping restore them by growing corals in underwater nurseries. The end.